What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be replacing my side marker lights. Now, I've seen several videos on YouTube where the people are changing out these side marker lights on the 2004 to 2009 Mazda 3s. They remove the tire, they remove the inner fender liner. You don't have to do that. That is just going way out of the way. All you got to do to remove these side marker lights is simply grab it and pull it towards the rear of the car. And it'll pull right out. Now, to release it, all you have to do is push the tab. Now it's time to unbox the new side marker lights. I went with the smoked lens instead of the clear. You can buy a set of these on eBay for about 20 bucks. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, so it's time to connect it. It can only go in one way, so you're just going to want to push it in, make sure you hear that little click, and then push it back into the fender. And the passenger side is done. So now it's time to change out the driver's side. So this is going to be removed the same way. We're just going to grab it and pull it towards the rear of the car and it'll pop out. And repeat the same steps. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.